Say hi.
Hi.
Don't hold it that close to your face.
Why? This is how you're supposed to
Get
vlog.
me in it. Get me in it.
Why do you have to be in it? It's too early in the morning.
We're all packed. We did it.
We're all packed.
We're leaving.
As you can see, all packed. And we're going to California on a little day trip.
3-day trip.
3-day trip.
Actually.
Yeah.
It's Veterans Day weekend.
Yep.
Babe. We're going to Dunkin' Donuts and
Dunkin' Donuts, get some gas, get some snacks.
And then for 6 hours.
Whatever that is. Look how. Show some dance moves, go. Oh, un perito. Un perito.
Can I pet it?
Un perito.
This one. This one.
Wait, Sid, how do you put it, how do you do the manual focus? Because this is kind of hard chasing you and it's not doing it.
I don't know. There's a learning curve. I don't know how to do it, babe. Smile. Hi. We're at a rest stop. Oh.
Okay, so we never told you why we're going to California, but we told you that we are going to California. And we're going for the Rex Orange County concert
In San Diego.
which we're so excited about.
It's his last concert in the US. Like we're his very last show.
Yep.
I'm so excited.
But right now we're at a rest stop
Yeah.
in Gila Bend because we're from
Yes.
Arizona. So yeah.
Yes. We're in Arizona right now.
It's like 6 hour drive.
6 hour drive.
6 hour
We're like
drive.
1 hour in.
Yeah, 1 hour in, 6 hour drive. Sanity levels is corrupted.
Corrupted. The sunrise was so pretty though.
Sunrise was beautiful.
Yeah. Oh well,
Yeah.
you'll see that. Cause
Hopefully. Super cold.
it's freaking cold.
And
I'm
we're
like
both in shorts and she's shivering.
Wait.
Look at this lady. Who's your mother?
I bet you can see.
Where's your mother?
You can see my goosebumps on camera.
Where's your mother?
Where'd you get those dope kicks, huh?
My boyfriend got them for me.
Are you for real? Who's your boyfriend? Seems like a crazy, hot, sexy, brown, what? sun is down, freezing
We
cold.
made it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The beach.
I think we're at Coronado Beach.
Coronado?
We kind of just drove till we hit water.
Yeah, no, it is Coronado.
It's Coronado, yeah.
Coronado Beach. Sunny skies, blue eyes.
Wow. Hi, babe.
First day in California done, or almost done. First day in California, first adventures in California.
We basically just walked around San Diego, you know, just explored stuff. A little bit of a beach day, just watched the sunset.
We also drove by the venue for tomorrow night.
Yeah.
We almost got mugged by some security guards.
Because
we were so suspicious. We were just walking by like 3 times.
We just were really hoping that we saw him or something.
Oh my, he was just like coming outside and grabbed like with his guitar or something.
Yeah, so we'll probably show you the hotel room and that's about it. So stay tuned. Long day, big fun day tomorrow. So
super fun day. Alright, bye. We're going to dinner? Pasa? We're going to Luigi's Pizzeria to go eat some fufu, right?
Yeah.
Go! Go! Go!
It's kind of
Look at these, look at these, look at these. Come on, come on. Let me show you something. Come here, let me show you something. Go!
Wait, Kenny! Oh, shit! I almost got hit by a car.